Bill Appleby. We've been looking around for quite a while for different types of hot tub and water spas. We went back to Kevin at Hot Tub Spas. We'd bought a hot tub from him around about 15 years ago, had great service, quick phone call, he was out, any problems, all resolved. We got good service inside the showroom, educated us very well, full of information, and we feel we made the right decision.
So here we have the Wellis Mars, which runs on a 16 amp supply, which is like a plug and play here in the UK. For us guys to install, it's a very easy tub to install. You've just seen us on the film how easy it is to get it off our trolley and to lay down. The tub itself is just a perfect ideal tub for two people. There's no point buying a bigger tub when there's only two people using them, and these ones are a great tub. All the jets, like on all the Wellis range, turn on and off, clockwise and anti-clockwise. They also, I call them, it's like an afterburner on a jet engine when they mix the air with the water. They are a very, very powerful tub, easy to maintain. It's a very cheap tub to run as well, obviously because of physical size. But the shells, lovely shells, and the appearance of them, you know, they do exactly everything as they do sell on tin. They work really well, and they're a great little tub.
Wellis hot tubs are very economical to run. We've had a lot of experience with Wellis hot tubs over the years and found them to be a great product, one of the best out there on the market.